Filming it.
Oh yeah? Alright. I like it. Say smile.
So don't mess up. 2, 4, 6.
Yeah.
Would you assume it's a zone here?
We should. They've been playing it the whole time.
Yeah. Let's run zone with Calvin and me, just 2 back. Let's put an extra popper and then 2 on the rails and somebody going deep.
It's just 1 deep.
1 deep.
1 deep. I like it. Tight throws, everybody. Tight throws.
Okay.
I'll start popping. Hey boys, we gotta snap it.
Hey, be aware, there's gonna be a lot of us in there, so one at a time. Home
on a turn. Might not be zone either, in which case we go hoe, right?
Yeah.
If it's a man, just go hoe. Actually, go Bert.
Which one?
Bert, we only got 2 handlers.
Come on, guys.
Short.
Stop it short.
Let's center that. It's a double team. I got here. Air. I don't know. I don't think you're in.
What do you think? You probably had best perspective of it.
That's what I thought.
You had perspective.
Yeah, you caught it when you see it.
Not in.
Bring him back here.
2. I mean, if you want it.
1.
Back to back 1.
2.
Air.
Force it that way, Rex.
Nice grab though.